How does the Fair Housing Act protect your housing rights? Imagine trying to find a home and feeling unsure if you will be treated fairly. That's where the Fair Housing Act steps in to make sure everyone has a fair shot at housing. This law makes it illegal for anyone involved in housing to discriminate based on race, color, national origin, religion, sex, family status, or disability. It covers renting, buying, and even applying for a mortgage. Landlords, real estate agents, mortgage lenders, and insurance companies cannot refuse to rent or sell, charge higher prices, or treat you differently because of these protected traits. The law also stops practices like steering potential buyers or renters away from certain neighborhoods because of race or ethnicity. It prevents denying or giving different terms on loans or insurance based on your background. Harassment and retaliation are also illegal under this law. If you file a complaint or help someone else do so, the law protects you from being punished or treated unfairly afterward. For people with disabilities, the law requires housing providers to make reasonable changes. This could mean adding ramps or allowing service animals so everyone can enjoy their home equally. The goal is to remove barriers that might stop someone from living comfortably or accessing their home. Looking at Black homeownership and building wealth through real estate, the Fair Housing Act was created to fight unfair barriers like redlining and racial steering. These practices kept Black families from buying homes in certain neighborhoods or getting fair loans. The law helps open doors for Black families to buy homes, build equity, and grow wealth over generations. Even with these protections, some unfair practices still happen. Homes in majority Black neighborhoods might be undervalued, or there may be less access to good information about housing options. These issues make it harder for Black homeowners to grow wealth at the same pace as others. That's why enforcing the Fair Housing Act and addressing these ongoing problems are so important. Knowing your rights helps you recognize discrimination when it happens. You can report unfair practices to government agencies or legal groups. This knowledge also allows you to stand up for fair treatment when buying, renting, or applying for a mortgage. The law is there to support your right to equal housing opportunities, helping you build stability and wealth over time. In the end, the Fair Housing Act is a key tool in fighting housing discrimination. It works to create fairer access to homeownership, which is a vital step toward closing racial wealth gaps and supporting long-term financial growth for Black families. Protecting and advocating for housing rights ensures everyone has a fair chance to own a home and build a better future.